Hello, chocolate lovers, and welcome back to another scrumptious episode of Savoring Sweets. Today, we're delving into the world of Mexican hot chocolate to uncover an unknown and fascinating fact that's sure to elevate your appreciation for this beloved treat. Get ready to be amazed. The rich history. Let's start with a little history lesson. Mexican hot chocolate isn't your average cocoa. It has deep roots that date back to the Aztecs, long before European colonization. The Aztecs, who inhabited the region that is now Mexico, were known for their love of cocoa. They created a bitter, frothy beverage called chocolate, which was made by mixing ground cocoa beans with spices and chilies. What sets Mexican hot chocolate apart from the rest of the world is its unique blend of ingredients. In addition to cocoa, it traditionally incorporates spices like cinnamon and a hint of heat from chili peppers. This combination creates a delightful balance of sweet, spicy, and aromatic flavors that's simply irresistible. The secret ingredient. Now, for the unknown fact about Mexican hot chocolate, the secret ingredient. While most people know about the chocolate and spices, there's a hidden gem that takes the flavor to a whole new level. It's called Ibarra chocolate, and it's the key to authentic Mexican hot chocolate. Ibarra chocolate is a brand of Mexican chocolate known for its unique texture and flavor. What sets it apart is the inclusion of cinnamon in its recipe. This distinctive blend of cinnamon with high-quality cocoa beans creates a rich, complex taste that's hard to replicate with other chocolates. The art of preparation. To truly appreciate Mexican hot chocolate, it's important to prepare it the traditional way. You'll need some Ibarra chocolate, milk, whole or plant-based, and a molinillo, which is a wooden whisk. First, break a piece of the Ibarra chocolate into your cup. Heat your milk until it's steaming but not boiling, and then pour it over the chocolate. Stir with the molinillo, using a back and forth motion, until the chocolate is fully dissolved, and you get that frothy texture. The modern twists. While the traditional Mexican hot chocolate is an absolute delight, there are plenty of modern variations to explore. Some people add a dash of vanilla, orange zest, or even a shot of espresso to give it a unique twist. Don't be afraid to experiment with your hot chocolate. It's all about finding the flavors that delight your palate. Cacao, the ancient bean. Before we unravel the unknown fact, let's delve deeper into the heart of Mexican hot chocolate, cacao. Did you know that cacao beans, the primary ingredient in chocolate, were so valuable in ancient Mexico that they were even used as currency? The Mayans and Aztecs, who inhabited the region, cherished cacao not just for its taste but for its sacred and economic significance. Cacao was often used in religious ceremonies, and the beans were traded like gold. The chocolate disc. Secret. Here's the unknown fact that might just blow your mind. Traditional Mexican hot chocolate recipes often include a special ingredient, a chocolate disc, called tabletas de chocolate. Tabletas de chocolate are thick, hard discs made from ground cocoa beans, sugar, and sometimes spices. These discs are an integral part of the Mexican hot chocolate experience. They're designed to be broken apart and melted into your hot milk, creating that rich, frothy, and aromatic cup of chocolatey goodness. A touch of spice. You might already know that Mexican hot chocolate often features a hint of spice, such as cinnamon and chili. But there's another spice that's occasionally added for an extra layer of complexity: anise. Anise seeds are ground and blended into the chocolate mixture, lending a subtle licorice-like flavor that marries beautifully with the other spices and cocoa, creating a truly unique taste that tickles your taste buds. The art of frothing. When preparing Mexican hot chocolate, the key to achieving that famous frothy texture lies in the technique. Traditionally, a wooden whisk called a molinillo is used. It's not just a utensil, it's an art form. The molinillo is rolled between the palms to froth the chocolate while ensuring a consistent blend. It's fascinating how this simple tool contributes to the luxurious texture of Mexican hot chocolate. So, there you have it, the unknown fact about Mexican hot chocolate, the secret ingredient of Ibarra chocolate. The next time you sip on a steaming cup of this delightful beverage, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the rich history and unique flavors it brings to the table. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of Mexican hot chocolate. If you enjoyed this video and want more sweet insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Savoring Sweets. Until next time, keep savoring those sweet moments.